Hi, thanks for joining me. This is a little one signature paste book from a course I took online called The Secret Garden. It's about shading and layering. So this is one signature, 7 by 5. I have adapted this ephemera, and the theme is about time. And it is called Wild at Heart. I made this little booklet because sometimes we have to wait, even if we don't want to wait. And this is about time and things moving on. So I will flip through this and read the little poem as I go. I won't be showing you any of the bits because you can see those. I'll try and point those to you. All right, so here we go. Wild at Heart. Wings unfolded, dancing in the wind. Gentle touch of wings, holding their breath, and beauty overflowed. Deeply rooted in the garden, soft petals flowing, echoing gently, and time stood still. Filling the air, the songbird of time. Delighted heart, she was ready. It was time. She stepped into the garden where hope grows, glimmering in the sun. And found quiet miracles everywhere she looked. And then she saw it. Use your wings. Find the magic. What if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? This is dedicated to my granddaughter. And this is about a new year, a new beginning. And that's that. So I hope you liked that, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks again. Take care of yourselves. Happy New Year.